need to start work on this car as soon as I can. And a lot of you guys want to see my view, and that's what I'm trying to do. First thing I need to do is moving my wife's car, because she's gonna be out tomorrow, and this is probably gonna be a 2 days kind of vlog, because tomorrow it's supposed to be rainy, and I want to put the grandma keys in the garage so I can work on it if I need to. And as you can see, it's not that cold anymore, but it's also not nice, and tomorrow we're gonna get a lot of rain. And I got my POV hat that you guys asked for in the last couple of videos. See, here's the grandma keys I need to clean inside, and I hope I can put this bad boy inside. Dude, there's no brakes at all. You know what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some fluid, and the good thing is if I use the brake fluid that I have here, we're gonna be able to see if it's leaking or not. So see, it's open. My father-in-law, he gave this to me. I didn't even buy it. So I'm gonna put a bunch. I definitely need to buy more of those, but I think I need to replace the entire brake lines, which it's not gonna be easy, but we'll do it. And then the cosmetic things I will fix later. So I'll try to put in the garage. It's not going anywhere because there's ice. There you go. She's moving. Dude, there's no brakes in this car. It's crazy. Man, this car is so big, and with this GoPro in my face, it's really hard to see it. The good thing is I think I should be able to see. Oh no, I need to remove the brake stopper, whatever we call that, because I use this to make sure that me and my wife park with enough space to take my son in and out of the car. So look, this tire is so low. I'm thinking about getting new wheels. I saw a bunch of good deals on Facebook, so I might do it. Let's see if we can close the garage. Dude, you cannot close the freaking garage. And there's no this car doesn't fit. How crazy is that? This freaking car doesn't fit. Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't fit. I think to work I need to do something like this, but let's see if we got some leaks. Oh, there we go. Leaks. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see, but yeah, it's leaking over here. You see? That's why. Well, we found the problem. That's one less thing to do. But hey, I found the leak, which is great. I just don't want to leave this car here for the night, because I want to close the garage. See, there's no space anymore, so I'm gonna back up and then I'll put my wife's car there. I don't know, dude, I need to take the calipers out and see if it's not leaking behind the wheels. It's such a job. So anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. If it's not rainy, then at least we can see what's going on with this. I don't want to touch. Maybe I'll take the, maybe no, I'll need the jack stands to work on it, and we go from there. Whoa, different day today, of course. And as you can see, we did some progress on the car. That day was too late. Today it's actually a nice day for once here in New Jersey. But what I did, I put the car on the quick jack. I checked all the wheels to make sure that we didn't have any leak. And what happened, we don't have any leaks, which is good news. So I had to order the master cylinder, which I believe that's what is it's causing the, you know, the pedal to sink. So now it's basically, I will try to replace it because I got the parts. And here is what I got so far. I have more parts coming. So here's the master cylinder for a Grand Victoria or Grand Marquis, whatever you want to call, 1996. Comes with a little pieces. I got this to fix the headliner. I'll leave the link in the description below because this is very helpful if you have a Corvette, like a, you know, a vintage Corvette. Mine for some reason came broke. I don't know why, but came broke. Also, I got some LED lights. These are the fog lights. The high beams and low beams are coming, and also the entire upgrade for the entire interior lights for LEDs. Everything from eBay. The good thing about a project like this, it's because it's cheap. It's not super expensive, but now the challenge is if you replace the master cylinder, it's gonna fix it. So I'm gonna put the car here, and I hope you guys really like this POV. I have no idea how it's coming through. The other thing we're gonna notice today too, oh my god, the pedal goes to the floor like crazy. And I think I figured out the wheel that we're gonna put on this car. I just need to figure out somebody who is selling that in the right price. Also, I spoke with my father-in-law. He kind of knows what I'm doing, so we know the color that we're gonna do the car to, so it's pretty exciting. All right, we got this. All right, here's the master cylinder, and as you can tell, I fill it up the last time, so we still have a bunch of stuff. That's the master cylinder out. As you can tell, I think it looks like there was a leak at some point. But we'll see. If I replace that, we should be fine. Here's a comparison between the old and the new. Pretty much the same. I don't know why this one doesn't have this part over here, but there was one that does. And this one here has all the parts cover, which is good. That's what we need. That's what we want, right? Let's plug this bad boy back in and see how that goes. I hope that goes well though. Now it's the final test. I don't know if that works, and I'm really scared if this thing is not gonna work because I don't know what I'm gonna do. So let's try. Let's start the car. Now it is the real deal. Ah, crap, still sink to the floor. Well, I spent some time here and look at that. It's leaking. I've kind of found the leak, but I don't have the parts to work with. I did this same thing like 2 days ago and didn't have any leaks. What I'm assuming is the master cylinder was bad and wasn't pumping oil through the lines. That's why I didn't have any leaks. Because if you saw in the beginning of the video, I showed that, you know, I fill it up with brake fluid, but it's still, I didn't have any leaks. But now look at that, it's all over my garage. Anyway, at least I found the problem. But yeah, boys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. It was a failure, but at the same time, the projects move on. I need to get the parts. The only reason why I'm not finishing today is because I don't have the parts. It's 2 attachments that you need to like put it between the lines so you get the lines right. So I'll try to get that fixed and then we can move on. I'm still waiting for all the LEDs parts to show up. I'll try to do everything on the next episode about the Grand Marquis, but my goal is just to make the car drivable, and also I'm seeing if I can find the wheels, and the wrap probably is gonna happen after we are done with the Corvette, because I want to get the Corvette done for April, and I need to start work on this thing. So a lot of things to do at the same time, but I will get done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. Let me know what you think about the POV view, because you guys have been asking, so I'm listening to you, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I'll see you guys next upload. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.